Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make this with adhesive foil and how to weed it and put it on the project.
You are watching Melody Lane. With me you're gonna have a great crafting time.
This is Cricut foiled paper, foiled and embossed paper, and I used a gray marker here. I don't know if you can see that, but there is some here to show me where to put the easel on. And I'm gonna put black paper inside here, and I have a saying here cut out in the adhesive foil. It's like the chrome look is so pretty. I love this. And I thought this would look great with that on the black, kind of more of a masculine look, or for anybody actually. So I'm going to weed this out. Adhesive foil you weed just like you would weed vinyl. So you get that started, and then you can just pull this off. And this says you can make it happen. I like doing these little sayings with some inspiration on them. If you're interested in making these frames like this, I do share the file with the people who support my channel on Patreon. It's only a $1 pledge and you get hundreds of files, including this inspirational saying and the file for the frame itself. I'll add a link in the description where you can get the frames. Okay, got that all weeded. So now I'm going to use a piece of transfer tape. This is a piece that I keep reusing. Yes, you can reuse it. I buy a big bulk roll and then I reuse it and it lasts forever. Okay. You gotta burnish this down. Then you peel this part off and you turn it over from here and you peel this back and put it as flat as you possibly can. And if it's not coming off, just push that back down. I think I cut this too deep. I was afraid I didn't cut it deep enough, and so I cut it again. And so some of the paper is coming off with this one because I cut it twice. And that is no big deal. So if you have any that has the paper on it like this, you can just peel that off. Once you get it, it peels off really easy. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on the paper, and this side's more textured. I'm gonna go ahead and use the textured side. And I did not put this on very straight, but I kind of like it not straight. I made this so it would be straight. If you support me on Patreon, you will get this file that says you can make it happen. And it is straight on the file. But I think I want to do it a little not straight. It's more fun that way. I like things different. Not straight, not even. Okay, so now we're going to peel this off. If it doesn't come off, just get it a little harder. Burnish it some more. Burnishing means rubbing it on. Pull this flat. Whoops. If it doesn't go, you might have to help it. Like this one doesn't want to stick down. Just push that off and push it down. There we go. There we go. You don't have to worry about this. You're not going to wash this later. And then I'm putting this right back on top of this, and I'm going to use it again. You can make it happen. So now when you're doing these frames and you have this piece cut out here, I'm just going to use Xyron. You could use glue if you want. And I'm going to put this in. I made it fit right inside those 4 score lines. Okay guys, I'm going to fast forward putting the frame together because I just showed that in another video. If you haven't seen that video, you can click up in the right hand corner to that little eye and there will be a card with that video that shows you completely how to make these frames and what you need to do for that. Isn't that cool? And then here's the back. I don't think I cut out the easel for this one. Here's a shout out to some of those awesome people who support my channel on Patreon. Claudia, Audrey, Diane, Teresa, Carol, Donna, Betty, Peggy, Jennifer, Heather, Lydia, Keisha, Judy, Effia, Ellie, Adaira, Kathy, Gloria, Deborah, Carol, Donna, Beth, Marietta, Sonia, Bobby, Joyce, Connie, Jody, Brandy, Susan, Melissa, Jane, Richonda, Becky, Lori, Shelley, Jeannie, Sharon, Jessie, Wanda, Brenda, Diane, Patricia, Ruth, Alice, the Sweet Adortion, Dee, Veronica, Lynn, Debbie, Lisa, Pamela, Lisa, Cruising Angel, Sheila, Terry, Felicia, Charlene, Laura, April, Kim, Kelly, Fella, Carmen, Angie, Lynn, Valerie, Mary Ann, Irish Pete's, Brenda, Marissa, Leslie, Karen, Jean Ann, Tamika, Marcia, Pamela, Kathy, Shelley, Suzanne, Jennifer, Tracy, Robin, Jolene, Lois, and Renee. Thanks, guys.